Thanks for joining us today. I'm Ed. With me here today is Travis of Texoma Classics. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take you through for a little tour, get to see some of what we do, take a look at some of the cars we're working on. As you're probably aware, and some of you may not be, but we are a custom shop and our focus is on restorations, full frame offs, partial restorations, with emphasis on classic cars and muscle cars. We do resto mods. In fact, that's a pretty popular thing we're seeing today. And we also specialize in RVs, particularly Airstreams, doing full build outs of Airstreams, providing custom interiors. So let's go ahead and get this thing kicked off. As we're going through, Travis, we want to talk about some of these cars that we're seeing.
Yeah, like I said, we'll just do a quick walkthrough. We got a 70 Chevelle SS, frame off restoration, ready to go home. LS3 upgrade, everything's custom on it. It's a beautiful car. That's one of the really cool cars we've been working on for a while, and it's about ready to go home.
Yeah, it's about there, right?
Yeah, that's a cool car.
I think we're about to get it dyno tuned, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, keep on coming. We've got 55 Bel Air on the Art Morrison chassis, also LS3 upgrade. Everything's custom on this one as well. Too much stuff to talk about. Really, we don't have enough time, so it's just good. It's an awesome car. We're about halfway through the build on that one. Then we'll be painting it, putting the interior back in. We got a 57 Chrysler New Yorker frame. That one's in the process of. We just got it torn down. We're about to start building it. Right behind you. We got a 68 Scout?
Yeah.
Yeah, 68 Scout. We got it back to a rolling chassis now. The engine's in the process of being built, and then we'll get the body, and we'll do all the body work and build that one up.
For those of you who are purists and want your vehicle restored back to original, this is a perfect example. The owner of this 68 Scout is a true purist, so every nut, every bolt is an IH part. So I guess for his purposes, he wants to have it built out so that it's back to original, and he wants to compete with it and win prizes. Over here, we've got a 55 210. The owner basically wants us to get this thing running. He also owns this 55 sedan delivery, and Travis may want to talk a little bit about this one as well.
Yeah, that one's got a big empty hole where the motor went, and we're putting a new motor in that one. It had a bad motor in it. This one as well, same issue. Had a bad engine, been sitting for a long time. I got Jamie under there, turning some wrenches. How you doing, Jamie?
What's going on?
What's up, Mike?
What's up, man?
He's in the process of getting the transmission all hooked up. That one's a strong running motor. We got a good deal on it. It's a used engine, and just did a little swap on it. Did a lot of new wiring, stuff like that. That's it's got a custom pearl paint job that we did not do, but we're probably gonna be clay barring it just to bring out the pop, make it shiny, make it smooth. Got a Ford Torino. That one just came in with some slop in the steering, doing a couple small things to it. That's a cool old car. This guy's got a bunch of Torinos. He's a big Torino enthusiast, and we're making this one get back on the road just like it did in 1970.
Yeah, interestingly, the owner, I guess he's a collector of Torinos, because he mentioned that he has 3 other ones. I guess that he wants to have worked on as well. This one, it is a beauty. It's in really good shape.
I'll walk over to the body shop. Check out what we got going on over there.
For those of you who are not aware, we are located in Sherman, Texas, where summer is about 9 months out of the year, and about this time it starts getting real hot. So pretty soon cows will start giving evaporated milk. Let's go on inside the paint body shop.
We got old Gibby up there taking care of some block sanding on this 41 Chevy, going back all factory original. Got the firewall painted, looking pretty. Yeah, that one's going to be painted here in the next week or so. Jerry on the other side. What's up, Jerry?
Hi, guys.
That's Jerry, or Geraldo as we call him.
Yeah,
Since when?
forever.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
You know, it's so kind.
yeah. Geraldo and Giblets.
Yeah, great.
This one's a cool project. And we got the Ranchero that Jerry just so kindly sprayed with black paint for us. already verified. Jerry said we can go in here, but we're not supposed to, so don't tell him. This one's going back almost original. This is a resto mod. It's got custom suspension. It's got a custom Cobra engine in it. That's a custom mixed paint. Jerry custom mixed up that paint for us. And we just got it sprayed. That was going to be a full build. It came in partially built. We had to tear it all the rest of the way down and bring it back to its original glory. Doing a lot of custom touches on this one. That's a guy that owns this is a really great guy, so we're going to make him proud.
Yeah, that's good. And for 5 easy payments of $9.99, this can be yours.
That's a lie.
All right.
It's good, Jerry. It's really good.
That's the body of the Chrysler New Yorker I was telling you about earlier with the frame over there in Building A. That one came back from Media Blast. We cleaned it up, epoxy sealed it. We can get a good look at all the rust holes in it. That's one of the first steps we do in a frame off restoration to make sure we repair all the bad spots in the bodies. Now you can look at all of our silver Twinkies. Behold the glory which is Airstream. Do a lot of Airstream work, custom interiors, electrical, suspension, pretty much anything you can do. We do it here except for the buffing. We've got a couple guys working on these right now. We'll go check out one of the Airstreams we've done a whole boatload of work to. All new countertops, new flooring, new cabinetry, new appliances. The whole interior has been completely redone here locally by us in Sherman, Texas.
Oh, we also got the 49 Chevy here too. I want to point out that.
1949 Chevrolet. Did a lot of stuff on this one, including a lot of paint touch-up work, blending for the customer, electrical, brakes, got the engine running properly. Pretty much a hardcore tune-up, plus some paint work.
Look at the front end. I love it. Very nice. Very nice.
Go check out Steve's.
Okay, this Airstream here, you're talking about a typical build out for us, which is all custom inside. So when this came to us, this did not look anywhere near what you're seeing now. So this was all wrecked out, stripped out. Everything in here is truly custom, from the seating to the countertops. Custom countertops, custom cabinetry. The owner actually selected the wood and the patterning. You notice that even with the drawers, this is all solid, and that's the way he wanted it. This bedding here is actually convertible, so it actually slides up and locks into place, and it's out of the way, and then you essentially have down below seating as a couch.
And we built all these bulkheads in-house. Everything you see in here, this was completely stripped out, and it's all been made by our craftsmen here.
Yeah, basically when we approach a project dealing with an Airstream, we view it as an empty tube. So whatever the customer wants, that's what we build to that specification. The customer gets to choose materials, what they want us to design, patterns, colors, everything. This bathroom in here is all custom. The vanity, everything going across that radius that you're seeing, and the shelving, all of this, and even in fact we had to do repair work, so some of the interior skin was redone, and this shower booth in here was built to the customer specification as well. So we're going to head back to the shop.
hot outside. When you go outside, it's hot.
Well, I guess that's really all we have here. You know, we're just rocking and rolling. Whatever you guys need, stop by anytime, give us a call. 819-1452, area code 903, 124 Industrial Drive, Sherman, Texas, 75092. Come by, come say hi.
Thanks for joining in and watching.
Thanks, guys.
And if you have any questions, hit us up.